I have a ton of things to do today, and I'm still obviously even on the road right now. And I was thinking to myself, because I'm not ahead on my YouTube, I can't make the video. I was like, man, how am I going to fit all this in? And I was thinking, okay, here I am in the car on the highway, just cruising. Not a lot of cars around me or anything. It's a pretty empty road, so I figured I'm going to just obviously focus a lot on the road. I'm not going to look directly into the camera, which I know kind of takes away from the message a little bit, but I'm trying to actively show you that I didn't have time to make my video, but I made a promise to myself, and I'm disciplined to posting a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at the very least. I will post more if I can, but right now that's all I can handle, so I have to be honest with myself. That's just what I'm doing. And most days when I make, like when you see my videos, I make and post them the same day, just like I'm doing right now. When I get to my destination, I'm gonna log in and I'm gonna post this video because it has to go out tonight. So before midnight, and I try to get it before like 11 even, it's gotta go out. So I had to make the time to actually get the video done because of what my goals are. And because I can't not be able to solve that problem. Like, I could have just said, oh, I'll just do it tomorrow. Oh, I guess it's not meant to be. Oh, you know, whatever the case may be. But I had to critically think, and then I had to compartmentalize, you know, what was, I guess, important and what wasn't. And then from there, I had to make a decision. And that decision was, how am I going to get my video out for today? So that's what you're seeing. That's a little bit of a process there on just taking action, aligned action, and the fact that you don't have time. You will never have time. You need to make the time. Right now, this moment, it's not ideal. It's not what I want. I don't have my microphone in my hand, right? I don't have my nice, crisp Sony camera. I'm not in my little studio space, like making the videos that I typically am starting to make now. Not ideal. But what are you going to do with the circumstances? Like, I'm the one creating it, and so I'm the one who has to either allow those excuses to hold me back, not follow through, which could probably and would probably even derail me a little bit. I know for me, I have such discipline that I know that would make me feel guilty, and it would make me feel just like, I don't know, it would definitely throw a wrench in my momentum. But irregardless, I want you to know that you will never have time. You will always make time, or you will make excuses. Because, again, I have a ton of things I need to get done yet still today. Still on the road. Still haven't even made it home yet for the day. And it's 6 o'clock p.m. Still need to go to the gym. And I'm making the time for these things so that they manifest themselves. Like, I can't make it any more clear. Time does not exist. The Buddha says that the biggest mistake we make is thinking that we have time. We do not have time. We need to create our time. We need to use time as the tool that it is to ensure we're creating the reality we want to see for ourselves. So we need to become that. This whole video right here that you're watching right now, this whole entire thing is a becoming of. It's becoming something new. There's going to be challenges along the way. This is a challenge for me, and I'm trying to share that with you in real time. What a great flow of an idea, because I was actually even thinking to myself, man, I don't have a video idea. I have no idea what it is I'm going to share for today's video. I don't know what to talk about. And then I wanted to talk about some relationship thing, and then I was like, no, that didn't feel right. So then then this whole idea came, and I was like, wow, this is just, what a perfect opportunity. Because this is something that I can show in real time, and I think that that's powerful. I think that if you can actually see what it looks like happening, like people always say, find time, and there's no real explanation behind what that looks like. And this is what it looks like. You have to have systems. You have to have authority in your moves, right? Like, you have to look at your life like a chessboard, and you got to be patient, but like not too patient where you're procrastinating. And then you have to strategically make moves. Again, there's a lot of excuses that I could have for not making my video today and getting it out, but I refuse to allow any of those excuses that are very real excuses. You know, I could think branding, and I could think, oh, that's not me. Like, that's not what you want to be. You want to be the guy that's with the microphone. But no, today is not the day, I guess. But it's important that I get information that is of value out to people who are looking to actually create a life that is of quality, that is of essence, that is of depth, that is of awakening, where you build relationships around things that are spiritual, things that are built out of love and not fear. The awakening, it's not easy, and we all need mentors and guides, no matter what. If you want to evolve, you need to learn that you will not get through this life alone. That's not how it's meant to be. You are meant to connect. You are meant to find mentors. You are meant to learn. You are meant to invest in yourself. Even, yes, using money as a monetary investment in yourself, because these are all building new neural pathways of who you're becoming. Right now, I myself am rewiring new neural pathways, or strengthening ones that I've already started by even starting on this YouTube journey, to remind the quantum field of who I am. So I am a content creator. That is who I am. I found a way to still make a video and be able to get it out on Monday. I will have another video out on Wednesday and Friday, because that is who I am. That is what I do. And then when you're on the path, right, when it is the right thing, it does just seem to flow. And so maybe this isn't perfect, but then I think in retrospect it is perfectly imperfect. And I hope you found value in this video. So thank you so much for being here. It truly means the world to me. It's invaluable. And if you want to follow along. Welcome to the Great Awakening. I think this is going to be like it's going to be unlike anything the universe has ever seen. I'll tell you what. I appreciate you being here.